Okay, so here's the deal. We just went onto Yelp and found some bars, and this is what we came across. We're at a nice bar. 'Cause I'm hopeless in love with you. Hopeless in love with you.
Your signature move?
Okay, all the birds are gone. My backup dancers are gone.
And where are we dancing right now?
We're in Prague, dancing.
Nice.
On a bridge.
On a
The
bridge.
Charles Bridge. Did
Ooh,
I say it
and
right?
what's that over there?
My second house.
Oh.
It's a castle.
Hopeless in love with you.
Change here in U3 and U6.
Are they violent creatures?
I don't know, let me find out.
Look at how beautiful.
What is that?
It is kind of like a churro, but they called it chimney and cream. So whipped cream, strawberries, and this.
Is that the chimney? Is it?
I think this is a shirt. This was a huge mistake. What is it? Hot vodka?
It's like vodka.
So Marcus is about to drink some absinthe. Marcus is trying to decide what absinthe he's gonna have. They don't. Do you not have the choice of regular tap water? No. I don't. It didn't sound like it. You have to pay for our water.
Not America. It's not America. Is that right?
So sad. This is going down into Marcus's tummy. I stick with my coffee. Oh, shoot. What's it taste like?
Like licorice.
What? Like licorice? Interesting.
Certainly strong.
That we also get food. What is it, Marcus?
It's a kebab.
It's a kebab.
Yeah, I love a good kebab.
You love a good kebab. That's because we've eaten here twice now
We have eaten
since
twice.
being here
It was really good yesterday. So
in 24 hours. It's also doubling as a hookah bar.
What?
Doubling as a hookah bar.
Oh yeah, but we're not having hookah.
It's so cute.
50 karat, please. Small cherry. 50 karat.
30.
I give you 300.
everything is just so beautiful. It is beautiful, just like you. We're both little like Eskimos right now.
It's really cold.
It is. We are headed to find some beer. How do you say beer, Marcus?
Beer.
Beer. Beer.
Beer. Beer.
Beer.
As you guys say.
We're at a nice bar.
Oh, you've been stuck in my head for so
To make
long.
your frozen evening even better, just going to an ice bar. If I didn't complain about the cold.
Singing this song for too long. 'Cause I'm hopelessly in love with you. Yeah, I'm hopelessly in love with you. Whoa, whoa. 'Cause I'm hopelessly in love with you. Hopelessly in love with you. Hopelessly in love, hopelessly in love with you.
Hey.
Okay, so this is Marcus and I now filming the ending to this video in his car in Australia.
We are in Melbourne. I just finished university and now we are filming this.
And we kind of skipped around to multiple different bars, and then I'm sure you could figure out how that turned out by the end. And we got back to the hotel and I was like, okay, we have to film a good night like clip, and it's a disaster, so I'm not gonna show that. So we're just gonna go over the bars that we went to. I went on to Google and found where we had gone and like skipped around to, and Marcus does not know the names of the bars. I think like 2 of them are easy, but the other 2 are pretty hard, and he's gonna read them to us.
Okay.
And tell us where we went. So he hasn't seen the names of this yet, but he'll tell you where we went that night.
Okay, so obviously the Anonymous bar, because of the fire cocktail. I'm sure you saw it in the video when the guy was tossing the drink back and forth between the different cups. It was super cool.
Wasn't it like a tea?
Yeah, it was some sort
Like
of
a tea martini?
But it was really good and it was really fun. This next one is very difficult to say. It's the Pražska Čokoládová Manufaktura. That's what it says. And it was, I think it was a place that we had absinthe. Well, I had absinthe. Which tasted really good. It tastes like licorice.
It was so much better than that last place we went and got absinthe, huh?
Yeah, it was. It was actually really good quality absinthe.
If you do go to Prague, buy expensive absinthe because it's way more worth it.
Yeah, otherwise you'll feel pretty sick.
Yeah.
Of course, we went to the ice bar, the ice pub, which is really famous in Prague, which was really fun because obviously everything's made out of ice, and even the cups were made out of ice, so it was really cool. And then obviously the kebabs, Sayf Kebabs, which were awesome because they're really cheap and they tasted really, really nice. And I really love a kebab. Yeah, so that's pretty much the places that we went to in Prague.
So, and then in my last one, when I do the day Prague, it shows the Iron Gate Hotel, and I will show the end clips at Iron Gate because they were a 5-star, right? It was a 5-star hotel, and they had breakfast, so it was a breakfast buffet, and we will link over to that. And I think that's about all for that night. If you guys have any questions about anything that we saw in Old Town Prague, just comment below and subscribe to see more of his and I's traveling.
Yes.
Yeah, and now that we're in Australia, we're road tripping tomorrow.
We are.
Yay, all the way across Australia.
No, just like 10 hours up north, but anyway.
10 hours. Because how long would it actually take to get through Australia?
for like 5 days or
5 days. Well,
Yeah.
10 hours is gonna feel like 5 days, but
Yeah.
that's fine.
It will, on the Hume Highway, for sure.
Look at my new cup. It's so cute.